Day in, day out. I do the same things day in, day out. I study English day in, day out to improve my skills. Now and then, I take a day off from work. We go to the beach now and then. Use your noodle. If you use your noodle, you will find the answer. Use your noodle before you say something silly. Not sleep a wink. I was so worried that I didn't sleep a wink last night. The baby cried all night, so I didn't sleep a wink. Have time to kill. I have time to kill before my meeting. We had some time to kill, so we went for a walk. Heart and soul. She put her heart and soul into the project. They love each other with heart and soul. See eye to eye. We see eye to eye on most issues. I see eye to eye with you on this topic. Rain cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs outside. Don't forget your umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs. Turn a blind eye. He turned a blind eye when she came late. I can't just turn a blind eye to his mistakes. Cat nap. I took a cat nap after lunch. I was tired, so I took a cat nap for 15 minutes. Out of this world. The pizza at that restaurant is out of this world. The movie was so good, it was out of this world. In black and white. The rules are in black and white in the book. The contract was in black and white. Flip out. I flipped out when I realized I lost my wallet. Don't flip out. Just take a deep breath and relax.